the biggest South Asian media group, Y Media. Y Media has newspaper, midweek, radio, South Asian Pulse, television. You are watching Channel Y. A South Asian Canadian channel. Online, SouthAsianDaily.com. The biggest South Asian media group, Y Media. You are watching Channel Y. A South Asian Canadian channel.
बहुत स्वागत है साडे इस स्पैशल सैगमेंट दे विच जिहदे विच कि तुहानूं खास जानकारी दे रहे हैं। ये जानकारी है जी टैक्नोलॉजी दे नाल रिलेटेड, जिस तरीके दे नाल जिस तेज़ी दे नाल अज दी डेट दे विच टैक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो रही है, नवे नवे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, नवी नवी चीज़ां आ रही हैं मार्केट दे विच, और इहदे नाल नाल जिथे साडा टीवी जिहड़ा हैगा वो भी चेंज हो रहा है। बहुत सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ते टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, बट हुण मार्केट दे विच कुछ इदां दे प्रोडक्ट्स भी आ रहे हैं जिहड़े कि टाइम दे नाल वो भी बदल रहे हैं और टीवी भी साडा टाइम दे नाल बदल रहा है। सो ये टीवी जिहड़ा हैगा जी ये बारे बहुत वधिया वधिया जिहड़ी जानकारी हैगी आ वो असीं तुहाडे लई लैके आ रहे हैं। मैं गल कर रहा जब टीवी दे बारे। सो इस दे बारे गलबात करन दे लई साडे नाल मीडिया स्पोक्सपर्सन फ्रॉम जब टीवी वो साडे नाल मौजूद ने। मैं स्वागत करना चाहूँगा सलमान खान जी का। सलमान जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
परमिंदर जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग टू द शो। इट्स ऑलवेज बिन अ प्लेजर। आपके व्यूअर्स को सबसे पहले नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, गुड मॉर्निंग।
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग सर। और सर जैसे मैंने बताया कि जिस तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो रही है और जब टीवी के बारे में जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे तो मैं तो फीचर सुन सुन के हैरान हो रहा था कि क्या क्या फीचर्स आ गए हैं और टीवी का डेफिनेशन ही चेंज हो गया आज की डेट में। तो ये सबसे पहले तो मैं चाहूँगा कि हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट जब टीवी।
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन परमिंदर जी। टीवी तो वही है, द ब्यूटीफुल कंटेंट, क्रिएटिविटी डज नॉट चेंज स्पेसिफिकली। ये तो इसका तरीका है कि वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कैसे हो रहा है
जी।
अब जैसा आप बोल रहे थे इंट्रोडक्शन में कि लोगों के पास अब इतना टाइम नहीं है कि रोज़ शाम को आके 7 to 9 टीवी देखें
जी।
तो तरीका चेंज ये हो गया है कि पीपल वांट टू वॉच देयर टीवी एंड गेट देयर इंफॉर्मेशन एनीवेयर दे लाइक। सो डिजिटल ज़माना है, आपको पता है। यू वांट टू गेट योर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन योर फोन, ऑन योर लैपटॉप्स, ऑन योर टैबलेट्स और एनीवेयर, even if you're traveling. So Yup TV is, in simple words, it's a web TV. It's called over-the-top service, which means कि आप अपना TV अपने choice के channels जहाँ चाहें जब चाहें देख सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी डिवाइस पे देख सकते हैं। You can still watch it on your TV as well as your laptop, your cell phone and your tablets. So on all your digital devices, basically you can watch your TV. So it is that in simple words. जहाँ तक what makes Yup TV special from others is Yup TV is world's largest provider of South Asian channels. 13 से ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस में इनके पास चैनल्स हैं, 200 से ज़्यादा चैनल्स, जिसमें आपकी मेजर लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी, पंजाबी, उर्दू, तमिल, बंगला, बंगाली, मलयालम, etc. and you name it. So there are 200 plus channels bringing you Bollywood, and regional movies, spiritual programs, and news.
Awesome.
So-
So I think it's a complete package for
It is.
everything.
It is.
Like you told us that you can watch it anywhere. So what is the procedure? Before I go to the procedure, I want to know how Yup TV started and where it is located. People want to know कि कहाँ से शुरू हुआ है, कहाँ से इनके ऑफिस कहाँ पर हैं और रिलायबल है या नहीं है, बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं.
Absolutely. This is actually an excellent question. Yup TV started a few years back. It is a US-based organization based in Atlanta. Started a few years back, first in US and then expanded worldwide. Yup TV is now worldwide in Canada, Europe, Asia, Australia. हर जगह launch किया है. 200 से ज़्यादा channels, as I mentioned before. What makes Yup TV so special, Parminder ji, is that Yup TV is 100% legitimate content.
Awesome.
So it is not to be compared with all these various internet pay TVs, IPTVs around, because हमारे पास जितने भी channels हैं, we are in contract with them, और उनका 100% content legitimately we are allowed to and authorized to distribute or stream, in simple words.
Okay.
So that makes Yup TV different. Plus, our packages are much better than any competition, and our prices are the best. They're much better than any competition can ever offer. And I'll come to you a little later when we talk about the packages and the prices.
Definitely. I think there's one more point. They have an edge on other service providers because for any other IPTV service, you can just watch it on one single TV. But I think with the Yup TV service, you can watch it anywhere, I guess.
On all devices, the over-the-top feature is amazing. You can just sign up. One family can sign up, one member, and the whole family can watch it anywhere they want. Whether they're on the road, just traveling, or they're in their office. Whenever they get time, just check their news on their laptops or on their cell phones.
That's awesome. So if we talk about how to sign up, and also mentioned that the cost is really less comparatively to the other services.
For sure.
So first I want to know is how to sign up, and then what are the packages?
Okay, so sign up is extremely simple, Parvinder ji. All you need to do is to simply go to yuptv.com. It's a very simple website, www.yuptv.com, yupptv.com, or you can sign up in a minute. All you need to provide is your name and your email address, and you're signed up. You're signed up for free, and you can actually start watching a few free channels which Yup TV has offered for all our viewers. आप उसकी quality देखें. These are HD channels, very high quality. Actually, good news is that at the moment, all Urdu channels are free, including Hum TV. So you can actually watch the dramas right away, sign up, check it out for a few days, and then choose a package of your choice. For example, Hindi package hai, ya Punjabi package hai. You can, the packages start at $99.99 a year. Parminder ji, it comes to less than $8.50 per month. That's the cost of a coffee and a sandwich.
I think for a day, yes, it is.
And if that can provide an amazing entertainment to the whole family for 1 month, isn't that worth it?
Definitely.
So $99.99 a year पे हमारे हिंदी पैकेज, तमिल पैकेज, पंजाबी पैकेजेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. और जो मेजर चैनल्स हैं, we have all the major networks, and they're increasing and they're growing by the day. We have Aapka Colors network. When I say network, it includes all the channels.
Okay.
Different languages, for example. Aapka Colors hai, Z network hai, so Z Business, Z Movies, Z Music, B4U network, Rishte network, UTV Bindas network, and most importantly, NTD TV News. News network. All their channels are available. And apart from that, many spiritual channels, many other news channels such as Al Jazeera TV. It's available in all packages. It's in English language, so it's useful for everyone. Plus Russia Today, RT, it's included as a news channel for all the packages. It's a part of all the packages. So just $8.33 a month. Please sign on and start watching.
Wow, that's awesome. So what are other special features? I mean, as we were talking before, you told us that there are some other advantages on if you talk about the IPTVs, this particular service has an particular edge on top of this.
Apart from being the 100% legitimate content, and I think our viewers are all in support of say no to piracy and support all the legitimate content. So that's always there. But jo feature hai and watching all the devices, it is really unbeatable. It is really going forward. It's really the future. Advantage ये भी है कि आप अगर इस तरह की सर्विस पे साइन अप करते हैं, तो if you are paying a lot of money for traditional cable services, you can actually get rid of that. Okay. If you have a smart TV as well, all you need to do is to download the app and start watching on your TV. Okay. However, आपको केबल की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसके साथ. Even आपके पास older TV भी है. All you can do is to simply order a box. Our box cost only $49.99, very reasonably priced, much competitive from anyone else in the market. And you can even make your older TV usable with Yup TV along with all other devices with just one sign up in the family.
Wow. So बहुत सारी सर्विसेज आपने गिना दी. आई थिंक कुछ और सर्विसेज भी हैं, एड-ऑन्स भी अवेलेबल हैं इसमें. So I really want to know what are all those add-ons, and I think our viewers would also love to know about those add-ons.
Parminder ji, I wanted to save the best for the end.
Yes, sure.
So दो चीजें हैं which I must mention, and I think your viewers will really enjoy that. One is that when you sign up for Yup TV, any package you sign, you get something called Catch Up TV. Catch Up TV is like a PVR. पिछले 10 दिन के सारे programming जो आपके package के हैं, they are automatically recorded. So, Parminder ji, if you're in the office, you're busy, you're going out for a party in the evening, missing your favorite show, come back home whenever you have time, go back up to 10 days and watch all the missed shows of your liking. So that's Catch Up TV for you, which comes free with every package. और एक और feature है which is called Yupflix. Just like the name, it is similar to Netflix. It has over 5,000 movies and counting. हर language की movies इसमें होंगी, अभी भी हैं और बढ़ भी रही हैं. और you can just use add-on Yupflix at a very small cost, just about $5 a month, and you can have access to all these amazing movies as a part of your package.
That's really good. So how trustworthy is Yup TV?
Absolutely, ji, absolutely reliable. As I said, it is a large organization, well established professional organization based out of US and now around the world. It is legitimate, it is trustworthy, it's reliable, it's high tech, and they are actually bringing TV to the future.
Yes, definitely. Like I said before, the technology is changing, and so is our TVs. So our TVs are getting smarter, our phones are getting smarter. So I think
and people are getting smarter as well.
Exactly.
You know, we are finding new ways how to watch TV, where to watch TV, and when to watch TV.
So it gives you the flexibility to watch TV anywhere.
And I must say, Parminder ji, that I'm glad that Channel Y is on board. So Channel Y is also available on Yup TV, so it will be a good news to your viewers as well.
Yes, definitely. So all the Punjabi viewers, this is a good thing. You can watch Channel Y on Yup TV as well. So another, I think, plus point would be that there are many more features. Like you said, you can watch from the last 10 days.
Of course.
TV from the last 10 days. So there's no possibility you can miss any of the shows.
You can't miss any show, and you can also, apart from Channel Y, which is an amazing channel, you can also watch channels, popular channels like Just Punjabi, PTC Punjabi, Alpha Etc. Punjabi, Gurbani, and they're like 25, 30 popular Punjabi channels which you can watch, including news as well as music.
Lastly, I would like to thank you for this wonderful information. And also want to know once again क्या प्रोसीजर क्या है, साइन अप करने का क्या प्रोसीजर है, और जस्ट इन केस अगर कोई डिफिकल्टी आ रही है साइन अप में, तो हाउ इट कैन बी रिजॉल्व्ड, इज देयर एनी नंबर टू रीच एट एंड एवरीथिंग?
Parminder ji, yuptv.com is the website for sign up, as well as this phone number which you can see on the screen. It's 1-866-663-7557. It's a 24/7 helpline. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है साइन अप में, या आपको कोई बॉक्स आपने लिया है एंड आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा उसको कैसे सेट करना है, इट्स एक्सट्रीमली ईजी दो. बट फॉर एनी इश्यूज और कंसर्न्स और क्वेश्चंस, dial this phone number. It's 24/7 helpline, or even go to the website and send a message. And lastly, thank you very much also to invite me and help share this important news to our community members.
Thank
I
you
really
so much.
appreciate that, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच. सो सलमान जी के साथ हम बात कर रहे थे यप टीवी के बारे में. आई होप आवर व्यूअर्स विल लव इट and I would request you to just sign up for free. If you like it, you can pay a very nominal amount and you can watch it for a whole year round. And comparatively to other cable services, this is really cheap service. But on the other hand, if it's cheaper, that doesn't mean it's not reliable. It's very reliable. As Mr. Salman said, that it's a big organization. All over the world, they are selling this service. So this is really wonderful with exceptional features, like you can watch it on all of the platforms, whether it's cell phone, it's on your laptop, on your tablet, on your TV. And apart from that, I think with one person in a family signing up for this service, you can watch it on all platforms, anywhere, wherever you are. And on top of that, if you missed your show, you can always go back in time and watch the show. So that's another awesome feature. Once again, thanks a lot, Mr. Salman.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you very much for inviting.
Welcome, sir. और इस दिन आली यहीं पर हम ये प्रोग्राम की समाप्ति करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए बहुत लाभकारी होगी. हमें यहाँ पर इजाज़त दें. देखते रहें चैनल वाई.
Channel Y, a South Asian Canadian channel. Call Rogers or Bell today and subscribe to Channel Y. Channel Y. For more information, visit southasiadaily.com. You are watching Channel Y. Channel Y, a South Asian Canadian channel.